Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you the steamed pork ribs with sweet potato, a great dish for family gathering. As you can see, the pork ribs are covered with grounded rice and spices. They become tender and juicy after steaming for half an hour. The sweet potato on the bottom are soft and flavorful as it absorbs the oil and extra juice from the ribs. I made the mild spicy version today using spicy bean paste. You can make the non-spicy version as well. To start, we are going to cut 2 pounds of pork ribs into chunks. Then marinate them with some soy sauce and a tablespoon of spicy bean paste. You can also add some sugar to balance the spiciness and some MSG if you like. Mix everything well, then add some cooking oil and mix in so the pork ribs doesn't contain too much fat. Let it marinate for at least 15 minutes. While waiting, peel off the skin of 2 medium-sized sweet potato and dice them into half-inch chunks. Lay them down in the bamboo steamer and spread them out evenly. When the ribs are ready, add the grounded rice. I'm using this ready-to-use version, which contains 5 spices. In case you don't have the ready-to-use grounded rice, you can toast some rice and spices in a dry wok and then use a coffee blender to roughly ground them. Once you added the rice, mix it evenly with the ribs. Put the steamer on a pot of boiling water. Add the ribs on top of the sweet potato. Put the steamer lid on, turn to high heat, and steam for about 30 minutes. To make sure the ribs are ready to serve, you can check it by using a chopstick to poke the rib. It should go in and out easily. To add some flavor and fragrance, you can chop some scallions and put on top of the ribs just before serving. Hope you can enjoy this home comfort dish with your family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for our new creation each week. See you next time.